Hello sir, this is our project code. Our project name is fire safety alarm. This is a nodeMCU based project. This is a flame sensor. This is a buzzer. And when fire is nearby from flame sensor, the buzzer is on and our notification is come in our phone. Okay. Okay sir, this is output from buzzer, and this is our full code of nodeMCU.
Also, we are used in Blink app to here this nodeMCU is connected to the Wi-Fi to these mobile phones, and we are alert notification on Blink app, but unfortunately this is the paid version of Blink app we are not using here. So this is our nodeMCU. Whenever the fire is nearby to this flame sensor, this green light is turned on and buzzer is turned on. So this is our project.